This is a picture of Brian and the lovely team from St. George Church in Weald, Sevenoaks, um, presenting the chainsaw to me at my home address in Peckham. And this picture was taken in 2013. This is a picture of Bob here on the left, and then John here on the right. They both are quite involved with the work at the orphanage. In fact, their wives are also involved, and some of the children. They were both very delighted that they were able to receive the chainsaw, and that chainsaw will help them a lot. They're just going through the chainsaw at the minute, going to see how to use it. And John received some training at the end of 2015, which meant that it gave him a bit of confidence to be able to use it.
Nah, saya mantap kam Mas. Oke.
With the help of the chainsaw, um, Jerry here on the left and John on the right here were able to cut down a number of trees and and then shape them to be used as posts for the kitchen house. So that was really a great blessing to um, have the chainsaw to do that job. Usually it'll take about 2 to 3 weeks to chop down a tree and then split them in halves and cut them all down with an axe. But with the chainsaw, they were able to do it within less than a week. So that was such a blessing. This is Rosalind here. Rosalind is one of the mothers who comes along to help and support the orphans. Um, she's standing next to this blind. This is a blind. Um, we call it a blind. It's made out of straws. This will be used as a wall for the house. So they are getting ready to take this roll of blind over to the new site for the kitchen house. Here the blind has been put up and which forms the wall. Mm. And um, it's it covers most part of the wall. And picture on the right here, um, this is the inside of the house where the children will come and stay and have extra space to meet, and also the space there will be used to cook meals for the orphans. So this house is a really needy house that will again be used for meetings as well as cooking food, and I guess it will be used for some people to stay if they wish to. This is now the house completed. Um, you've got the straws going up on the roof and covering the walls. Um, Again, you've got the space in there that meals will be cooked. But as I say, it'll be used as an extra space for kids to come and stay and rest and to be able to um, pray together and just an extra space. So on behalf of the Ambam Foundation, I'd like to say thank you to Brian and everyone who helped or contributed towards this change show. That has been, as I say, a great blessing to us, and we're hoping that many more trees will be cut to help build either homes or make fence for the gardens and for for the community. So once again, thank you so much.